Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to start third chapter of class 7th. And the name of chapter is data handling. In the first exercise, we will discuss about two topics. First is range and the second is mean, or you can say arithmetic mean. Okay? So how can we find range of any data? That is highest value minus lowest value. Okay? And how to find arithmetic mean? That is sum of all terms divide by number of all terms. Okay, fine. Okay, now suppose you are given with the data 1 3 5 2 3 7. Okay, now see, if we want to find range and our arithmetic mean of this data, so firstly we will find the range. Okay, how to find range? Highest value minus lowest value. Okay, now what is the highest value here? Which is the highest number? 7. Okay, and what is the lowest value? That is 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. That means range is 6. Okay, range of our data is 6. Now to find mean, what we have to do? We have to do sum of all terms. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7 divide by number of terms. Number of terms means how many terms are there? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 terms are there. That means we have to divide with 6. Okay, so this is equal to 21 by 6. Okay, when you will divide 21 with 6, so what you will get here? 3.5. So this is the mean of our data. Okay, so what is mean? Actually, mean is that number which represents the whole data. Okay, so now see, this is your first exercise 3.1. Okay, now see, first question is there, find the range of the heights of any 10 students of your class. So what you have to do? Firstly, you will write heights of any 10 students, okay, of your class. Then you have to find its range, means highest value minus lowest value. Okay, and in the next question, organize the following marks in class assessment in a tabular form. Now we will make the table of that data. Okay, firstly marks are given. Marks are starting from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Always in the second part, in the second column, what we are writing? Tally marks. What we have to do? Tally marks. Okay. And the last is frequency. Okay. Frequency means that how many times these marks are occurring in your data. Okay. Now see, 1 is how many times? 1 time, so we will write here 1. Okay. 2 how many times? It is 2 times. So like this you can count all the numbers and you can write here 1 3 5 4 2 1 1. Okay, now we will draw the tally marks. Tally marks, you know how to draw, you have already done in your previous classes. Okay, for 1 we will draw only one tally mark. For 2 will be there. Next 1, next 3, next 5, 1 2 3 4 5 we have to put on these 4. Okay, next 4, next 2, next 1, this is also 1. Now see, question you can see from your book. Okay, and the first question is there, which number is the highest? Okay, first question is there, which number is the highest? So which is our highest number? That is 9. Okay, second part is there, which number is the lowest? Lowest number is 1. Okay, highest number is 9, lowest number is 1. Okay, and the third part is there, what is the range of data? For to find range, what we have to write? Highest value minus lowest value. So which is our highest value? That is 9. What is our lowest value? That is 1. This is equal to 9 minus 1, 8. In the fourth part, we have to find arithmetic mean of this data. Okay, and arithmetic mean is equal to sum of all terms divided by number of all terms. Okay, this is equal to, so firstly we will write all the numbers and we have to add that. 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 5 2 6 2, 5, 1, 9, 6 plus 5, 8, 4, 6, 7. Okay, and divide by, see, you have to count that how many terms are there. Here we are having 20 terms. Okay, and when you will add these numbers, so what you will get here, 100, and downside 20 will be there. When you will divide 100 with 20, so what you will get, 5. Okay, so that means arithmetic mean of your data is 5. Your third question is there. We have to find the mean of first 5 whole numbers. So firstly we will write first 5 whole numbers. Okay, which whole numbers are there? Whole numbers are starting from 0. So these are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now see, these are 5 whole numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now again we have to find mean of this data. So firstly we have to do addition of all the numbers. Okay, then divide with number of terms. Okay, so when you will add these numbers, so what you will get here, 10 by 5, this is equal to 2. Okay, so that means arithmetic mean of first 5 whole numbers is 2. So in the same way you can complete fourth part. Okay, next, in the fifth part, one table is given to you. Okay, player A, B, C, and this side games are there, which 4 games are played by players A, B, C. Okay, so first question is there, find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored per game. Okay, now see, we have to find average marks, average scores of player A. Okay, so means we will use the numbers 14, 16, 10, 10. Okay, with these 4 numbers we will find its mean. Okay, next is there, to find the mean of the points per game for C. Would you divide the total points by 3 or 4? Why? Okay, now see, C has scored first game 8 scores, in second game 11 scores, in third game he didn't played, and in fourth game 13. Now see, we will divide the whole our data when we will do sum of all terms, and we have to do divide with all terms now. Okay, so that means on that time we will not count this thing. Okay, means which game is not played, so how can we count that in the our number of terms? So we will divide our data with 3 only, which 3 games are played by player C, that are 1, 2, 3. Okay, next, B has played all 4 games. B has played all 4 games. So how would we find the mean? Again the same thing, as we will find the average of A. In the same way we have to find average of B. 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 divide by 4. Okay, and the next questions you can do in the same way. Say in this question, 8th question, we are given with some days and the rainfall on that days. Okay, find the range of the rainfall in the above data. So firstly we will find the range, lowest value, that is 0, and the highest value, that is 20.5. So how would we find the range? Highest value minus lowest value. Okay, then we have to find mean. Okay, mean, you know how to find sum of all terms divided by number of all terms. Okay, so this is equal to 5.9 when you will solve it. Okay, on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? Now see, our mean rainfall is 5.9. Okay, we have to count that days on which rainfall was less than 5.9. Okay, so how many are there? This is less than 5.9, 1. This is more, leave it. Okay, the next is, this is less, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this is 5. Okay, so on 5 days rainfall was less than mean rainfall. Okay, so in the same way you can complete part number 9. Okay, so here your exercise is completed. Thank you so much.